In front of me is Motorola Moto G15, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Security and Privacy. Then tap on Device Unlock, select Face Unlock and enter your screen lock. Then hit Setup at the bottom right corner, hit Setup again, and this time remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now manage all of those options, hit Next and tap on Done. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!